We're cutting it off above the bat box. Dangerous work, but we love it. Down, 2 to go. I gotta admit, we probably have the sexiest job, but it's not all about the glim and the glamour of taking trees down. It's the science behind it. It's the knowledge and the knowing what inside of this looks like and being able to predict that. Same thing as that tree over there said, it's got a root disease, so the top's dying, so let's get rid of it before it's a big problem. Because when a tree is dead, it doesn't act the same, and then it costs a lot more money to take it down. So we're here to advise you and consult you on your trees and their longevity to make sure it matches with what you're kind of doing, with what your overall vision for your property and for your land is, and we want those to match that. And it's no point in having something that is gonna hamper you or stop you from getting where you want to be quickest, fastest. So let's get in the tree. Well, there you have it, guys. Nice little tree job. Put some trees on the ground for the homeowner to make their garage safe and make them safe, so when she walks out, she doesn't have to say, "Ooh, I hope that's not going to fall on my house today." It's the little things in life that are the most. That not worrying about the tree or not worrying about your house or anything makes it so you sleep better at night, and it's a lot of fun. And we really enjoy this line of work, and of course every time we do something, we always give extra. We do extra. Giving a little bit more than we're paid to do is just one of our business philosophies that we just love, and it just that goodwill goes a long ways, and it helps with your clients, and it helps make them happier and make them really enjoy you being there, because it's changing their landscape a lot. It's like now this is way more wide open. And it's definitely something different, and we want everyone to enjoy that change and to embrace it.